Are you tired of feeling guilty every time you buy a new gadget? Do you dread looking at your bank statement, wondering where all your money went? Is budgeting starting to feel like a complex nightmare, leaving you drowning in a sea of receipts and spreadsheets? You are not alone. Many of us, especially in the fast-paced world of tech and creation, struggle with managing our finances effectively. We want the latest gear, but we also want financial peace of mind. What if I told you there's a budgeting system so simple, so effective, it's the only one you'll ever need? A system that promises you can save at least 20% of your income while still affording those must-have tech upgrades. Get ready to transform your financial life with the 50-30-20 rule. This isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about smart allocation. It's about building a financial foundation that supports your lifestyle, your passions, and your future. Let's dive in and unlock your financial potential. The 50-30-20 rule is elegantly simple, yet incredibly powerful. It divides your after-tax income into 3 core categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This framework provides clear boundaries for your spending. It removes the guesswork and the guilt, giving you a clear roadmap for every dollar you earn. Understanding each category is key to making this system work for you. Let's break down each percentage. Your needs category is the absolute foundation of your budget. This 50% of your after-tax income covers all your non-negotiable, essential expenses. These are the things you absolutely cannot live without. Think about your housing costs, like rent or mortgage payments. Utilities such as electricity, water, and internet are also crucial needs. Groceries, transportation to work, and essential insurance premiums fall into this category. The goal here is to keep these core expenses under 50% of your income. If your needs exceed this percentage, it's a clear signal that adjustments are necessary. We'll discuss how to tackle that challenge shortly. This category ensures your basic survival and stability are always covered first. It's about securing your baseline before anything else. Prioritizing needs creates a strong financial bedrock. Now for the exciting part, especially for us tech enthusiasts and creators, the 30% wants category. This is where your lifestyle choices and discretionary spending come into play. This is your fun money. This percentage is allocated for all the things that enhance your life but aren't strictly essential. This includes dining out, entertainment, subscriptions to streaming services, and yes, those coveted tech upgrades. This is where you budget for that new camera lens, the latest gaming console, or a powerful new laptop. The 30% wants category is designed to support your optimized creator lifestyle. It allows you to enjoy your hard-earned money without guilt, knowing your needs are met and your savings are on track. It's about balance, not deprivation. Embrace this category as your reward for smart financial planning. It's the fuel for your passions and hobbies. This is where you invest in experiences and tools that bring you joy and boost your creative output. Finally, we arrive at the 20% savings and debt repayment category. This percentage is non-negotiable for your future financial security and freedom. It's the cornerstone of building wealth and achieving long-term goals. This 20% should be prioritized as a financial freedom fund. It goes towards building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a home, investing for retirement, or paying down high-interest debt. Think of it as paying your future self first. Automating this transfer is the most effective way to ensure it happens consistently. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts every payday. This removes the temptation to spend it. This category is your commitment to a more secure and prosperous future. It's about creating options and opportunities down the line. Don't underestimate the power of consistent, dedicated saving. The 50-30-20 rule is a fantastic starting point, but sometimes life throws curveballs. What happens if your current situation doesn't fit neatly into these percentages? Don't worry, we have solutions and optimization hacks to get you on track. This section will equip you with strategies to troubleshoot common budgeting challenges. We'll also explore how to leverage technology to make tracking your finances effortless. It's all about making the rule work for your unique circumstances. One of the most common challenges people face is when their needs category actually exceeds 50% of their income. This can feel overwhelming, but it's a solvable problem. This situation requires a more aggressive approach to regain control. We call this the 50-20-30 debt attack plan. Notice the shift in percentages. Here, 50% still goes to needs, but 20% is now allocated to wants, and a significant 30% is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This is a temporary focus strategy. The primary goal of the 50-20-30 plan is to aggressively pay down high-interest debt or build a foundational emergency fund. By reducing your wants, you free up more capital to tackle these critical financial burdens. This strategy is about getting your finances back on track quickly. To implement this, you'll need to scrutinize your needs category first. Can you reduce your housing costs by finding a roommate or negotiating rent? Are there cheaper alternatives for transportation or groceries? Every dollar saved in needs frees up more for debt or savings. Next, be honest about your wants. Temporarily cut back on non-essential subscriptions, dining out, or entertainment. This isn't forever, but it's a powerful sacrifice for a stronger financial future. Remember, this is a temporary sprint, not a marathon. Once your high-interest debt is under control or your emergency fund is robust, you can gradually shift back to the standard 50-30-20 split. This aggressive plan provides a clear path to financial stability when you need it most. It's about taking decisive action. In today's digital age, tracking your spending doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, technology can make the 50-30-20 rule incredibly easy to implement and maintain. Forget manual spreadsheets and endless receipt sorting. There are numerous free budgeting apps available that can automatically categorize your spending. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital link directly to your bank accounts and credit cards. They provide real-time insights into where your money is going. These apps allow you to set custom budgets for each of your 50, 30, 20 categories. You can see at a glance if you're approaching your limits for needs, wants, or if you're hitting your savings goals. This visibility is crucial for staying accountable. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, creating a custom template in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel is another excellent option. You can design it to perfectly reflect your income and the 50-30-20 breakdown. Many free templates are available online to get you started. The key is to regularly review your spending within these tools. Make it a weekly habit to check your progress. This proactive approach helps you identify overspending early and make adjustments before it becomes a problem. Consistent tracking is what transforms the 50-30-20 rule from a concept into a powerful financial habit. Leverage these tech tools to simplify the process and keep your budget on point. They are your personal financial assistants. As tech enthusiasts and creators, we often have our eyes on big-ticket items. A new mirrorless camera, a powerful editing workstation, or the latest drone can significantly boost our capabilities. But how do you budget for these without derailing your finances? This is where the Gadget savings hack comes into play, a brilliant strategy for affording those major purchases. It leverages the flexibility of your 30% wants category to make your tech dreams a reality. This hack is all about strategic delayed gratification. The method is simple. Instead of spending your entire 30% wants allowance each month, you save it up. If you have a specific gadget in mind, dedicate a portion or all of your wants budget towards that goal. You are essentially creating a dedicated sinking fund for your tech. For example, if your 30% wants budget is $300 per month, and that new camera costs $1,500, you can save for it in just 5 months. During those months, you might temporarily cut back on other discretionary spending, knowing a bigger reward is coming. This requires discipline, but the payoff is huge. This hack allows you to afford major purchases like a new camera, a high-end laptop, or even a professional-grade microphone without going into debt. You're paying for it with money you've already allocated for discretionary spending. It's a guilt-free upgrade. It teaches you patience and the power of saving for specific goals. When you finally make that purchase, it feels even more rewarding because you earned it through smart financial planning. This is how optimized creators fund their passion. You now have the blueprint for financial freedom and for affording the tech that fuels your passion. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just a budgeting system, it's a mindset shift. It empowers you to take control of your money rather than letting your money control you. By consistently applying this rule, you'll build a robust financial foundation. You'll gain peace of mind knowing your needs are covered, your future is secure, and your creative tools are within reach. This system is your key to unlocking both financial stability and the gadgets you desire. Remember, it's about smart allocation, not deprivation. It's about making intentional choices with your money to support the life you want to live. Start today and watch your financial landscape transform. Ready to put the 50-30-20 rule into action? We've created a free 50-30-20 budgeting template just for you. It's designed to make tracking your income and expenses simple and straightforward. You can download it right now using the link in the description below. While you're there, you'll also find a link to our full guide, offering even more in-depth strategies and tips. Don't wait another day to take control of your finances. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more practical financial advice, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Let's build a community of financially savvy creators together. Your financial freedom starts now.